Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So today I have a stitch tutorial for you. Very easy one row repeat. This is the twin V stitch. It works out super quick and it does look the same on both sides. That's always a plus. And there you can see how see-through it is. It's not bad. I think it's pretty. I like it. I've always liked it. It has nice straight edges on it, as you can see. Yeah. You guys want to go ahead and get started? Like I said, it's very easy. You can use this stitch for whatever you'd like. A twin V stitch. Let's do it. Alright. So, remember this is just a stitch tutorial. So, to show you how to do that stitch, you can use that stitch for whatever you like. And use whatever yarn you choose, depending on what you're making. But the twin V stitch is done in a straight multiple of 4. So that means you just need to, sorry my yarn was in a knot. You just need to chain in multiples of 4 until you get to your desired length. So whether you're making a scarf, blanket, top, whatever, you just keep chaining 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 until you get it the size that you want it to be, and then you can start your stitch. Remember, this is just a one row repeat. So we will go ahead and begin row 1. We are going to start off by doing in the fifth chain from our hook. So we don't count the one that's on our hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the fifth one right here, we're going to work a double crochet. And then we're going to go and we're going to put another double crochet in the same stitch. So we put 2 double crochets into that same stitch. And then we're going to go to the next stitch right after it, and we're going to put 2 double crochets into that stitch. 1 and there's 2. And that is how you make the twin V stitch. It's just 2 doubles in one stitch, and you jump to the next one, and it's 2 doubles in that one. And also on this first row here, this chain here, this is counting as a double crochet and a chain 1. Alright, so we'll go ahead and start the repeat of row 1. We are going to skip 2 stitches, skip, skip, and in the next 2 we're going to work this twin V again. So go ahead and skip your 2, skip, skip, and then the next one we work 2 doubles. There's 1 and 2, and then we jump to the next stitch and we work 2 doubles, and that is the twin V. It's worked over 2 stitches, and then we're going to repeat by skipping 2, skip, skip, and over the next 2 we will work our twin V. So skip, skip, next 2 doubles in the first one here. Excuse me. And then 2 doubles into the next. And this is the pattern that we're going to repeat until we get to the last 2 chains of our row. You skip 2, skip, skip, and over the next 2 we work our twin V, which is 2 doubles in this one, and then 2 doubles into the next one. Then you skip 2, skip, skip, and do the twin V, 2 doubles in this one, and 2 doubles in this one. And I'll meet up with you when we have 2 chains that remain. Alright, so I've made it to the end of row 1, and I have 2 stitches left. We're just going to end by skipping 1 and putting a double crochet, just 1 double, into the last stitch. That ends row 1, and we'll go ahead and start row 2, and row 2 is the repeat row of the whole stitch. It's just that one, this is one row, sorry about that. So what we're going to do is chain 1 and turn our work. That chain 1 does not count as a stitch. We're going to go right back into that very first stitch, that double crochet right there from the previous row, and we're going to work a double crochet in it. And then we are going to We're going to look at our twin V's from the previous row. See that? We're going to skip one right here, and we're going to go into the next one and work 2 double crochets into it. And then the next one after that, we work 2 double crochets on that. And that is the twin V, again, that we just made. Just like that. And this is what we're going to repeat across. The twin V's are always made in the 2 stitches from the twin V's from the previous row, the 2 center stitches. So here's our twin V from the previous row right here. See it? There's 2 doubles here and 2 doubles here. The twin V is always made in the 2 doubles that are closest to each other, not the ones on the outside, but the 2 on the inside. So actually we're skipping 2 stitches again. Skip, skip, and if you go to the next one, that's going to be that center, one of the center doubles that we have to work in. So we're going to work 2 doubles into that one, 1 and 2, and then we go over here to the next one right next to it and put 2 doubles into that one, and that will complete our twin V. And we're going to repeat this all the way across. So you would just skip 2 stitches, skip, skip, and then the next one and the next one, those 2 is where we make our twin V. 2 doubles, this one, and 2 doubles into the next one. Just like that. Again, you would skip 2 stitches, skip, skip, and in the next 2, that's where you would work. We are going to do our twin V. So skip, skip, and in the first one it gets 2 doubles, 1, 2, and the next one right beside it gets 2 doubles. And that's our twin V, and this is what we're going to repeat until we get to the last 2 stitches of our row. I'll see you there. Alright, when you're coming to the end of row 2, remember you're going to have 2 stitches left and that chain count as a stitch. So we're just going to go ahead and skip 1 and double crochet into the top of the last stitch. That ends row 2, and that ends the repeat. So we're just going to keep repeating row 2. So for row 3, we're going to chain 1 and turn. That chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Double crochet back into that very first stitch. Remember, we're just repeating what we just did. So first we only skip 1, and then we work the twin V over the next 2. So skip, and then the next ones we put 2 doubles in that one, and 2 doubles into the next, and then we start the repeat again. I'm just repeating row 2, and now we skip 2, skip, skip, and then over the next 2 is where we work our twin V's, 2 doubles in each of those. And we keep repeating that until we get to the last 2 stitches of our row. And you skip 1 and you end with a double crochet in your last stitch, just like we did on the row before. So you just keep repeating row 2, and after a while it starts to look like this. Very pretty. Just keep repeating that until you get to your desired size. And that is how you crochet the twin V stitch.